Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this is a step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to resize an image to fit a full page in Microsoft Word. Sometimes when you insert a picture, it may appear too large or too small for the page. In this video, we will discover the correct way to resize and adjust an image so it perfectly fits the page layout. This technique is very useful when creating cover pages, posters, reports, backgrounds, image or full page design in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. We can see here I have assignment. Now I want to add a image fit to full page. At first select the page, then go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now we go to the file and select your picture, then click insert. Then select the image, go to the format menu. Click the wrap text option, choose in front of text. Then select the image and resize it fit to the page. The page margin on the middle, otherwise you can cover the full page. Then we can see we feed the full page to this picture. Like you can see the preview, go to the print menu, press Ctrl P on your keyboard. We can see here the full page or the picture. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.